Hey everyone. All right, here I am. Just getting ready to paint. I got the biggest warehouse lights for my headlights because it's just about the right size for this vehicle. Gives you a size impression. But anyway, I got 4 large containers and a few smart containers that are sorting and providing wireless input. So I've got some ammo and some batteries and some gas and whatnot all hooked up here so that everything's pulling out of my 4 containers. And you see the automatic turrets all set up. Got some, well, let's see here if I can back up. Got some backlights. Oh, no, I did get hit by a bomb bot on this back tire here. I had to totally rebuild it. I am not invincible, but that was my tail lights. So I'm using the really big lights for small little things. I got my pirate flag and my radar. Everything is looking great, other than the fact that clearly I'm now thirsty and we'll have to take care of this before I can continue. It's always something. And, it's always something. So, we'll make sure we don't have to get back out of the seat anytime soon. We're going to give you the bottom look. My car, oh, by the way, this is my level 5 engine. It is 2 notches from all the way up. That is unfortunately what is required to make my rig move much at all, because apparently it's now really heavy. But here it goes. It's moving. It's we'll go down here. We'll show you what's going on with the wheels. That wonderful new bracing I've done. And yep, there it goes. It's flopping all over the damn place. Apparently I have to use 5 bearings to steer. My rig now, the way I want it, is too heavy for dual bearings. There it is again. It's screwed up. Give it a second more and you'll see it totally fold over and collapse. I don't know what the hell that was. I think the shock just gave up on that side. Although I did just put a shock on there. I wonder if I didn't. There goes the automatic firing. I do like that because sometimes I'm not quick enough to take out the bots on my own. Alright, so let's see if I just didn't, I didn't gas this strut up at all. Let's get that. That's, found something new to shoot at. Alright. But, can't hit that bot. We're moving along. Everything's fine here, nothing to see. Oh, nope, our tires are going sideways again. So, yeah, I got a good method for stabilization, so I decided I'd go big, and now I've broken it again, and I need to find another solution. So, or just, tootle around the world at 3 miles an hour. Oh well,